I don't know what is this, but do you know? See here, guys, see there. I was talking about this. That I will tell you everything about new words, about how you can improve your English. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm Purva Yadav from UP, and guys, today is day 20 of learning English with me. As you guys all can see, today I'm in field area, but yeah, this is type of jungle area we can say. So you know what? Before here, there were lots of fields like before time, but at this time not people are not growing here fields, so it became like grassy type, and you can see all the grass over here. And guys, today I am here. Today I'm going to show you everything here because this was my field, but now no people, like no one is growing anything here because it's too far from our house. That's why many less times people comes here. So you can see all around me here there are only trees and we can say grass. This is known as sarpat in our language. In Bhojpuri we say sarpat, and there you can see there all the trees, they are dry, I think. And guys, today I was just walking here and I saw this land is little bit upside down, like there are some tall trees also, and also some rocks also here. Guys, you know what? When I came with my grandmother here, she was also saying this, but I now also I don't know what is this. Guys, do you know what is this? This one here. You can see this. Do you know what is this? This one. I don't know what is this, but do you know? See here. There are only one, two, and three. And you can see flowers also here. Let me show you from near. There are only three trees of this. Do you know which plant is this? Guys, let me know in the comment section what is this plant about and which thing this plant helps. Because is this a grass or any other kind of things? If there will be any you can say useful plant, so I will definitely use this plant. But if it is grass, so just like showing you because it's looking like we can say medicine plant. I don't know why, but it's looking like that. And guys, you can see the lands over there, it's like up, and I am standing down. And let me show you guys something else also here. Guys, can you see there? There are some villagers, and you guys know what? They sail boat, like they, we can say navik in Hindi, like in our language we say navik. So they just sail boat, and that day when I showed you that boat kind of things and river kind of things, so people live here and they do same kind of things. So little bit far from our village, but yeah, at that side they are, and we are another side. And also one thing is there, when I came here and when I saw my uh, fields, there were some crops burned up. So I want to show you that also. Let me go up and show you because the soil is so much up. I am going upside. It's like soil is so much that kind of. Now I am up here. You can see this tree. Which tree is this? I don't know. See guys, I am talking about this. Some crops are burned up here. See whole area. It's looking like a jungle. And guys, see there. I was talking about this. This is also a village where people lives. See all over there. And there are fields, you can see. See there. There is a whole way gone up there. So I just came here and I just wanted to show you what is going around here. There is a little bit change in the weather, so that's why I also have some fever because of that. I So for that reason the video are not coming very fastly, like it's not coming very soon. But yeah, I am working on very important thing and very interesting thing, that is like video people are asking how we can study English. So if I will make like this always, so you people will not understand how you can learn. But that's why I thought that I want to make something like grammar type, like people who are struggling in English, they don't know how to start. So for those peoples the videos are coming. In that I will tell you everything about new words, about how you can improve your English in that, and I'm going to tell you how to make sentences. So for that all videos are coming, and very interesting videos are coming, and you will get lots of knowledge in that. So I'm working on that, and today I thought that this is our area type, like village type, so I thought that let me make vlog here. So in that also guys, let me tell you what you will get in that. First of all, you will get to know new words, and second thing, you will get to know the sentences that you have to make, and also you will get lots of tip about English, how you can practice English, how you can start your journey of speaking. Because if you will see like this, you will not understand anything. So for understanding new words, speaking English fluently, how you can start that, so for that reason I'm going to make videos. So next video is coming soon on that thing. And for today I just wanted to say you everything about here. Also guys, you can see there are not any other plants, only this plants. Like nobody grows here, I don't know why they leave this, but yeah, it was quite a good place. And you can see I'm upside, and there you can see the soil is downward. I was just standing there, I was showing that, you can see I was showing there, and now I came upside. So also wind is blowing and weather is changing guys. Also in your area is weather changing or not, because in our area weather is changing. And also this is all that I wanted to show you everything. You can see this is the all that I wanted to show you. And guys, don't forget to watch what next is coming, because it's coming very important thing. If you will miss that, so you are missing very important thing. So I'm just working on it, and video will come soon on that. And guys, also people who are watching my videos, they are liking, also share to most of the peoples, like your family members, your friends, and everyone, because all people have confusion about English. So share with them also, so that their confusion will get clear. And this is all for today that I wanted to show you. Now I will meet you in the next video. Bye.